Hello and welcome to our idiom in a minute. This is Hanaa Said. Let's get started. Today we are gonna talk about a funny idiom like this. This is couch and this is potato. So our idiom is a couch potato, meaning a person who watches a lot of television and has an inactive lifestyle. For example, he watches TV and eats junk food all day. He's such a couch potato. Another example, my son is so lazy. He just sits on the couch and watches TV all day. So now I call him a couch potato. Quiz time. Complete the sentence. I really need to get back into shape and stop being a space. Your answer is great, couch potato. Let's recap. Couch potato means a lazy person. Keep on trying.